All right, hey there. I'm replacing the high pressure fuel pump on a 2008 Chevy HHR SS, which is the 2.0 liter. So I removed the air box here. So you can do that by getting a size 30 hex bit. And so what I did to make it a little bit easier is I ended up drilling holes for these two spots here, because if you don't, you have to figure out how to get some form of hex bit in there in that limited little space. And then for this one, I just used a tiny little ratcheting wrench with the bit to get that unscrewed. And then just pop that off. You'll need to pop off the duct there, unscrew that, and then I removed this part, the other intake area, just to be able to move this around, so that way you can get to the bolts a little bit easier. But so covering the pump, you have this black bracket here. I don't remember what I think it's that orientation, but it's three 10mm bolts. So one up top there, and then the two on the side here. So actually it's like that. And then you got this little cover as well to protect it from the heat. And then, so what I did was, so the reason you need to remove the airbox is because to get to this Schrader valve, the airbox sits like right on top of it. And so, I unplugged the battery as well, just put some paper towels or rags there, depress a little bit, try to get some of the pressure off, and then unscrewed these two 10mm bolts as well, so that way you can actually remove this part. This is a 17mm size little collar. Same thing with the bottom down there. And then the two bolts here, that's what's holding on the pressure, or I'm sorry, the pump itself. But I'm still waiting on the part itself, and then, but yeah, it should just be an easy swap of that. But I mean, just looking in here, because I'm having a high pressure fuel pump code, which I think is P0089. And so I figured try to replace this, see if this fixes some of my other issues that I'm having. So hopefully that does, but hopefully that helps. And then just do it reverse of installing it back up. This is the sensor for it as well. In order to remove that, it just has this clamp down here, so it's kind of difficult because you have that metal bracket there originally. You could probably remove the metal bracket first to be able to get your finger in there, and then just depress and pull out. But that should be it for replacement, so hopefully that helps.